Students, I welcome you for today's practical session on how to install an antivirus software. Antivirus can be installed either with a CD or by downloading it from the internet. When we purchase the CD, it comes along with a user manual and a product key. So this is an example of an antivirus software. So we should note that the number of devices, that is, this antivirus software can support one device, and the number of years the license is valid. Okay, so we note these two things. Followed with, we need to focus on the system requirements. So here, as we see that the system requirements are mentioned. How much of free space, that is 1500 MB free space on the hard drive is necessary. Okay, followed with the software, that is Windows 10 or Windows 8, 8.1. So these are the system requirement. So we cannot install this software, okay, onto our hard system until the system requirements are fulfilled. So we cannot install the software onto our laptop or PC until the system requirements are fulfilled. Understood? Yes. So we also have smartphone and tablets, that is also included. Okay. So the antivirus can also be installed in smartphones. Okay. So under your practicals, we need to install the software on a given system. Okay, so we have a laptop in front of us, so we are going to install the software onto the laptop. Students, as I said, it comes along with a CD drive and an user manuals. Okay, so the antivirus software comes along with a CD and a user manual on which we have the product key, that is the activation code, okay, which is very important for us. Now to install this, first what we are going to do is we are going to take an external CD drive. Okay, so this is CD as well as DVD drive, external, since the given system doesn't have an inbuilt CD drive, it doesn't have an inbuilt DVD drive. Okay, so we cannot insert any CD into the system, so we are going to make use of an external CD drive. This is the USB port, so we just here have to pass in the USB port. Okay, followed which you need to switch on the DVD drive. Yes, so here it comes. Then we put on the CD. Okay, and we push it on. Yes. After inserting the disk into the CD drive, the first step of installing the antivirus is to double click on this PC icon which is on the desktop. So we need to double click it, so it will open. Then we need to double click on the DVD drive. So double click on the DVD drive. Okay, the window of Kaspersky Security will open. Protect your computer. Okay, so we need to click on install. So once we click on install, we need to wait. Yes, we have another window which is opening up, and it is a welcome window. So students, it will ask us whether we want to download the new version. Okay, so it is recommended to download the new version. As of now, we can deselect it so that we can update the software at a later stage. So we'll click on continue. Just click on continue. So it is asking you to welcome to Kaspersky Total Security. So click on continue. Next step, we are going to click on continue. Yes. This window opens. Everything is ready for installation. Various protection components, okay, that is going to be installed. So it is telling us. Now here this box has to be ticked. Okay. I want to participate in Kaspersky network security to provide, okay, protection for my computer. Yes. So next, after clicking on that, you go on to click on install button. Okay. By the way, students, the operating system of our laptop is Windows 10. Windows 10 operating system as per the requirement. The next window which will open is the user account control. Okay. So do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. So to go ahead, we have to click on yes. Followed? Yes. So as the software is getting installed, it will take some time, around 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Yes, we still have some more time left for updating the software database. Yes. So the next window which will open let us minimize here. Yes. So it is recommending us to turn on the protection. So here it is left up to us to select or deselect whichever options we desire. Okay, so take a tour through the app features. Okay, by clicking on apply. Yes. So if we don't wish to take a tour, we can deselect it. Okay, and then click on apply. So we need to click on apply. So here it is saying the application has been successfully installed. Okay, so we can click on done. Yes, students, here we are on the most important window. Okay, that is the activation window. So here we need to enter the code which has been given to us. Okay, in the format which has been prescribed. Okay, so we need to enter the product key, which is also called as the activation code. It is given to us on this manual, this guide manual. I just have to scratch the code, and now we are going to enter the alphabets as given to us. Okay, students. Yes, students, I have entered the activation code. So if you see in detail, it is a combination of alphabets as well as numbers. Okay, total length is, you count and see, it is around 20 characters. Okay, so you have in groups of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Next we are going to, after entering the activation code, you click on activate button. Next it is asking us to sign in. In case we have an account, we can sign in to, or you can click on I don't have an account yet. I don't have an account yet, or we can go to skip button. Okay, so or we can also skip. And so finally activation has been successfully done.